thank you for joining me today to talk a little bit about kind of your work in the community and our CNCF Ambassador Program.
Thanks for having me.
Awesome. So do you want to start off by just giving us a little brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name's Paris. I work at Google Cloud. I'm a Developer Relations Program Manager. The TLDR of that is Kubernetes Community Manager. I work on strategy as it relates to the community and do a lot of operations.
Awesome. So how did you get started in Cloud Native?
Yeah, it actually started in Baltimore when I was living there. And I had a meetup group there. It was called Charm City Linux. And I think it was like 2015. I started hearing rumblings of this thing called Kubernetes. Of course, I also, at the time, knew that containers were a thing and that this whole new way of thinking about this abstraction layer was going on. And that's sort of like what piqued my interest in learning more about the community. And here we are.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. So, what type of work are you doing in the Cloud Native community right now, and why did you want to be an ambassador?
Yeah, I think the most obvious thing is that I'm a Bay Area meetup organizer, the largest physical meetup in the world for Kubernetes. There's definitely some others that are inching up, which is awesome because that's exactly what we want. I knew that it was going to give a spotlight onto my community and sort of another avenue there for a communication network. And then, of course, support from the CNCF with the awesome program that you all have for meetup support. I do all upstream Kubernetes work at Google for community, so I just thought it was also just a really great fit with my work as well.
That's awesome. So we're kind of in the midst of KubeCon right now. We're going into the new year. Are there any kind of trends or goals you have going into the next year?
I think my goal next year is actually to get more project management both in my life as well as my special interest group's life. We are launching things like cannons right now, and it would very much benefit our community to have a little bit more project management. I definitely think that communicating more via launch timelines and strategy documents and things along those lines would really help us. So that, I think, is a trend that we'll also see with other special interest groups in the upstream community, and also growing our contributors. We have so many different kinds of personas right now in contributor land. People need different pathways into the community. So we're going to be working on a lot of mentoring initiatives and a lot more doc initiatives.
Awesome. Yes, I'm personally very excited about that. I've also been helping out with the release team these past few cycles.
You are so just keep being an angel.
All right. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.